Welcome to House of Läderach. We are now at the chocolate world of Läderach and we are about to have our English guided tour to get to know the behind the scenes of the brand, the whole manufacturing process, and also to taste the delicious chocolate. If you're ready, let's go and start the tour. Here we go. We're on our way to the House of Läderach, one of Switzerland's finest chocolate factories. We're taking the highway from Zurich City to Glarus, where the factory is located. It's about an hour's drive, and the journey itself is a treat. Breathtaking landscapes, rolling hills, and stunning Swiss sceneries all around us. And meanwhile, baby Lazar is fast asleep, enjoying a cozy nap. As we get closer, something exciting appears on the right side of the highway, the Läderach chocolate factory. Finally, we arrive at the entrance, and right next to the factory they have their own parking house, making it easy, convenient for visitors. Okay, we're ready for the tour. They gave us these little pouches, so you have your personal spoon to eat the chocolate, and the green bag means that you will go on a tour with a guide. The black one is just a normal ticket for a normal visit, just on your own. You receive a small chocolate for some energy. That's cool, and this is basically the ticket. Mine is different one with hazelnuts. Nice, thank you. Ta-da! This is the central piece. Our lovely guide Janet welcomed us and led us into the mothership store. And wow, this place is huge. The moment you step inside, you're hit with the heavenly scent of fresh chocolate. It smells so nice. It smells like chocolate. Around us, shelves are filled with beautifully crafted Easter bunnies, all ready to be taken home. Janet then gave us some fascinating insights. She told us about the Läderach presence worldwide, sharing how many stores they have across the globe. And then, the best part, she offered us a tasting.
So, before we go further, we have some chocolate to taste. We've got with blackberry, dark chocolate blackberry with hazelnuts, with milk chocolate, then strawberry, then again the classical hazelnut milk chocolate and dark chocolate. So can I start with you and you tell me which one you would like to have?
I will try this
one.
Maybe milk chocolate. Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah, same for me.
Same.
Thank you.
And for
I'll
you?
try the milk chocolate.
The milk one. And for you?
After indulging in some delicious flavors, we made our way to the second floor. Along the walls, Janet pointed out photos of Läderach employees, all smiling and proud, reflecting the passion behind the brand. We then sat down for a short presentation where we learned that Läderach is one of the biggest employers in the region, a company with deep roots in the community. Meanwhile, baby Lazar was having the time of his life playing with a plant nearby. And then we had a special moment. We met the grandson of the company founder. Well, not in person, but he did a presentation on the screen. He shared personal stories about the family business and giving us a deeper look into the heart of Läderach. Next, our guide led us into a special room where we got a glimpse into 3 generations of the Läderach family, from the visionary who founded the company to the current CEOs, his grandsons.
To have a casting machine and a spinning machine. The casting machine to fill in the chocolate and the spinning machine to spin it around so that the chocolate is being evenly divided.
She then showed us the very first method used to create Läderach's signature pralines, giving us a hands-on look at the traditional craftsmanship behind their chocolates. After that, we entered a special presentation room where we learned about Läderach's cacao plantations in Costa Rica and their trusted partners who supply the finest cacao beans. This was a truly special moment. We got to touch and feel the raw cacao beans, smell their earthly richness, and appreciate the craftsmanship.
To you, what would you say? Which country?
Ecuador.
I just bite so I can taste.
And did you notice any difference? Me too? Because I can understand. When I was your age, I didn't like dark chocolate.
Finally, we stepped into the logistics and shipment room where our guide explained the complex process of transporting cacao beans from plantations to production. We entered a room where some of Läderach's employees gave us an inside look at the manufacturing process. We even got to taste the 100% pure cacao
That's
bean.
just a cacao bean.
I think I need water for that.
Yeah, just help yourself again, please. Yeah.
Oh, and
Bitter.
wow, it was super intense. The flavor was both slightly bitter and thick in texture, a completely different experience from a sweet chocolate.
How much sugar do you put?
Sugar in and all the
Chocolate powder.
chocolates, yeah. Exactly. So the powder.
Next, we stepped into an interactive room where we got to see each stage of chocolate production up close. On the digital displays, we watched how Läderach creates their signature pralines, dedicated truffles, and perfectly crafted chocolate bars. And then the moment we had been waiting for, the tasting area.
Welcome to the chocolate fountain.
Can I prepare my spoon?
Just let me film from above.
Yeah, just help yourself.
The dreamland. The shop, the store.
Yeah, the white one is strong. You have to pull hard.
Dark chocolate.
The white one is hard to pull, so it's
Okay, now my turn.
very good.
Which one? No, milk chocolate.
It's just so good.
I'll try the milk one.
It's actually the hazelnut milk chocolate one. The chocolate is the best one. Yeah, instead. The favorite ones. It is in the hazelnut, they're being roasted and caramelized.
It's warm.
So when you buy it and buy into it, they are actually cheap. Yeah. So even there, they look out, watch out,
Good.
make sure that they're
Tasty and delicious. The dark chocolate? Taste test. But it's good. But I prefer the milk one. And now the white chocolate. Cheers. This one is also really nice. So if I need to rank the chocolates, for me, milk, white and dark. What about you? Ah, you need to try. Your turn. So you tried just the dark one. Now
That one?
try the white. The white.
So,
White.
yeah. Shop closes at 6 o'clock.
okay.
And milk.
So won't make too long in here. We do the registration again. If you want. Ready? We go into our master room.
One more time.
You forgot the dark one.
Mix. Okay.
The dark one? No, your favorite. So dark and second place?
Milk and white chocolate.
Milk white. Okay. We're going to more tasting. After indulging in some amazing flavors, we got a behind-the-scenes look at true masterpiece, a chocolate sculpture created by Elias Läderach. This piece won first place at a prestigious chocolate competition in Paris in 2018, and seeing it in person was incredible. We were then introduced to something unexpected, a juice made from cacao beans. The flavor was so sweet and refreshing.
What is this one?
It's cocoa juice.
It's yummy. I want go. No, you drink it.
It's yummy.
Oh, there we go.
Thank you.
Yeah, you're
Is this for
welcome.
me?
With chocolatier who won first prize in 2018. He won 5 prizes out of 7, so he had to do a masterpiece. He did a cake.
To wrap up our visit, we took part of a hands-on chocolate workshop. Here we had the chance to create our own chocolate bars. We could choose our favorite shapes, so I went for a bunny and Evelyn picked a heart. And here is the heart-shaped chocolate with some hazelnuts and pistachio. Nice choice. Nice.
This is mine.
Which one? Comment below which one you like better.
Yours
bunny?
is much.
This is an art.
It's a piece of art.
Piece of art. And the heart. Comment below. Heart or bunny. Going into the machine and it will cool it down. And then you'll get it. See you on the other side. Ready to be packed.
Ready?
Ooh, they're cold. Nice. Okay. How should we do it? Like this? Okay, the bunny. It looks so nice. It's so professional.
I see mine.
Okay. Zack. Handmade gift to give someone. And maybe here, I love you. Ta-da! What do we think? Which one is your favorite, the bunny or the heart? Comment below. This is the end of our tour at House of Läderach. We ended up here at the cafe and the restaurant. You can have a coffee or something to eat. This was our 90 minutes tour with a guide in English, and in my opinion it was totally worth it. You get an idea of the behind the scenes process, how they do the chocolates, the whole history of the company. It's really nice, and also you got to taste chocolate. If you're a chocolate fan and you visit Zurich, definitely come here, experience the world of chocolate of Läderach. Comment below if you would like to visit the House of Läderach, and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, and we'll see you in our next one. Bye!